Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the simple present tense clearly. Disclaimer. This video is for beginners. At the end of this video, I will ask some questions about the simple present tense, and you can answer them in the comments. Let's get started. A girl wakes up at 7 a.m. every morning. A girl wakes up at 7 a.m. every morning. She stretches her body every morning. She stretches her body every morning. She gets out of bed. She gets out of bed. She goes to the bathroom and washes her face. She goes to the bathroom and washes her face. She brushes her teeth carefully. She brushes her teeth carefully. She takes a shower. She takes a shower. She dries her hair. She dries her hair. She wears her school uniform. She wears her school uniform. She eats breakfast with her family. She eats breakfast with her family. She drinks a glass of milk. She drinks a glass of milk. She packs her school bag. She packs her school bag. She waits for the school bus. She waits for the school bus. She goes to school at 8 a.m. She goes to school at 8 a.m. She listens to her teachers in class. She listens to her teachers in class. She writes notes in her notebook. She writes notes in her notebook. She plays with her friends during the break. She plays with her friends during the break. She returns home in the afternoon. She returns home in the afternoon. She does her homework in the evening. She does her homework in the evening. She helps her mother in the kitchen. She helps her mother in the kitchen. She watches TV before bedtime. She watches TV before bedtime. She goes to bed at 10 p.m. She goes to bed at 10 p.m. Now we can dive into the question session. Now I ask 5 questions about simple present tense. Write the correct answer in the comments. Thanks for watching this video.